Hello and welcome back to Freestyle American English. Today you will learn 20 simple questions with answers. We will practice words with numbers and animals. You will listen carefully to me, then you'll repeat after me. And don't forget to speak out loud. Let's go. Numbers. How many apples are there? How many apples are there? 3 apples. 3 apples. How many books do you have? How many books do you have? 5 books. 5 books. How many chairs are in the room? How many chairs are in the room? 4 chairs. 4 chairs. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? 347-5896-658. 347-5896-658. How many students are in the class? How many students are in the class? 20 students. 20 students. How many dogs do you have? How many dogs do you have? 2 dogs. 2 dogs. How many cars are outside? How many cars are outside? 6 cars. 6 cars. How many bananas are there? How many bananas are there? 3 bananas. 3 bananas. Now, animals. Where do lions live? Where do lions live? In Africa. In Africa. In water. In water. Where do birds live? Where do birds live? In trees. In trees. Where do cows live? Where do cows live? On farms. On farms. Where do bears live? Where do bears live? In forests. In forests. Where do penguins live? Where do penguins live? In cold places. In cold places. Now, clothing. What is this? What is this? A shirt. A shirt. What are these? What are these? Shoes. Shoes. What color is your hat? What color is your hat? Orange. Orange. Where is your bag? Where is your bag? On the chair. On the chair. What is in your pocket? What is in your pocket? A phone. A phone. Great job. When you practice English questions and answers, remember, listen again, repeat the sentences, and practice every day. The more you practice, the faster you will learn English. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks, and see you next lesson.